Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to add Gemini AI Google Sheet. So the first one is just simply go ahead and go to Google and search for Google Workspace Market, and just simply click on the first one. And now from here, just simply use the search bar and search for Gemini AI. And after that, you should be able to see here this one, Gemini AI for Google Docs. And now for Google Sheet. And after that, just simply click on install and just simply log in into your account. And after that, just simply allow it. And now once it is done, you should be able to see here some instructions. So just simply click on done and just simply go to the Google Sheet and just simply go for the empty Google Sheet and go for the extensions. And from here, you should be able to have here the AI for Sheets, Gemini, and you will have here multiple options that they offer. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.